How to download YouTube TV on an LG Smart TV. Follow these steps to download the YouTube TV app on your LG Smart TV. Step 1. Turn on your LG Smart TV. Ensure your LG Smart TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Open the LG Content Store. Press the Home button on your LG remote to access the home screen. Navigate to the LG Content Store, usually marked as an icon labeled LG Content Store or a shopping bag. Step 3. Search for YouTube TV. Use the search bar in the LG Content Store to type YouTube TV. Select the YouTube TV app from the search results. Step 4. Download the app. Click on Install or Download to start downloading the app. Wait for the installation process to complete. Step 5. Launch YouTube TV. After installation, go back to the home screen. Locate the YouTube TV app in your list of installed apps and select it to open. Step 6. Sign in to YouTube TV. When the app opens, sign in using your YouTube TV account. You can sign in directly or follow the on-screen instructions to use a TV code. Step 7. Start watching. Once signed in, browse and stream content from YouTube TV. If you cannot find YouTube TV in the LG Content Store, ensure your TV firmware is up to date by checking Settings All Settings. General about this TV software update. Install updates if available.